This video demonstrates how to assemble a SWR wire rope tension kit. Attach the eye bolts to either end of the run. Holes can be pre-drilled by SWR on request. Open the turnbuckle halfway. For ropes over 10 metres we recommend opening 3/4 of the way. Attach the turnbuckles to the eye bolt at the start of the run. Thread the wire rope through any intermediate posts. Cut the wire approximately 20 mm from the outer edge of the end eye bolt. To fit the self-assembly fork, slide on the jaw housing onto the cable. Slide the jaws onto the cable, leaving equal space between the jaw sections. Place the pressure ring on the end of the cable. Place the pressure ring on the cable. Slide the jaw housing in place so that it covers the jaws. Assemble the terminal by screwing the head firmly into place and tightening up the nut with a spanner. Attach the self-assembly fork to the eye bolt at the other end of the run. Adjust the turnbuckle until the wire rope is taut. For further help fitting your wire rope tension kit or for any other inquiry, please contact SWR using the number on screen.